Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Janice. Today I will be showing you my latest love, which is making these Memory Dex cards. I love these little projects. They are so fascinating to me and I find them to be just so much fun. I created a very simple Memory Dex card base out of some scrap paper from a paper pad called the Coastal paper pad. I think it's what it's called. I will leave a picture on the video so you can see what it looks like. I know it's not available anymore. It's very old. My cousin got it for me from a garage sale. And so there you can see that my card, the little rectangle, is actually 3.5 by 4, and then I created a tab using the tab punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. I love all my punch boards, don't you? My next purchase is going to be the frame one. I really didn't think I wanted that one, and I've been watching a lot of cool YouTube videos where people have been creating some really neat things. So anyway, here I am just scoring this 2 by 3 inch piece of cardstock from that same collection. These are all scraps. I didn't cut one 12 by 12 page at all. There you see that there's this little doodad that you insert into the first 2 holes to be able to punch the left side of your tab. Then you turn it over and there are indicators there where it says small, medium, and large, and I chose the large so that you could see the difference between the large and the medium. And then there's all that leftover paper, which the board has a little section there where you can trim off the excess, and I chose to just use the scissor so that it will stay tall. But that's a great way to make a tab, and I don't need to add another tool like a tab punch, even though I would love to have the tab punch, but I haven't seen it at Tuesday Morning. So this one was a double-sided one because I wanted to see just how cool that would look, and I want to add stitching to it. And this one is just going to be the one-sided paper. So on the top part, I'm going to adhere the tab, and I thought, oh, I could maybe just put it in the back, but I wanted more of that green to show. So I'm adding my art glitter glue, and then I'm going to corner around the corners, but then I realized that I didn't give myself enough room. I should have done the corner punching before I added the tab. So then I was thinking that the tab punch board had a corner puncher, but it doesn't. Oh, it does, but let's see. Yeah, it does fit. I'm sorry, I couldn't remember. And I figure out that it's actually a smaller size than the 1/4 inch corner chomper size. And you'll see there, I'll compare the two by punching the 1/4 inch size. And you can see there that this one from the tab punch board is smaller. So that's cool. That's another size of corner punch that I have now. And then I'm using the Heidi Swap Memory Dex punch to punch the holes. There are videos that show you if you don't have any tools to make those holes, you can use a hole punch. There's lots of videos showing that. And then I decide I want to add one of my rosettes that I created in an earlier video with the mini cupcake, what do you call it, liner. And then here are my new stamps from Tuesday morning. And what I did was I used all those inks from Close to My Heart, some of my favorites, and I stamped those 2 stamp sets, just a ton of them, and then I cut them out with my Brother Scan and Cut, which is one of my favorite things right now. My husband got it for me a couple years ago for my birthday, and I tell him thank you all the time. And then here I'm just punching out a circle, one of those what do you call that, like a starburst circle with the Tim Holtz punch, because I wanted to add a little more color. And then cute little bike. I used the saffron color. I really like that color a lot. I think it goes well with this paper. And then just kind of layering my other pieces, my greenery. I love greenery. I have 2 bikes in my garden that are garden bikes. They're regular bikes, but I hung a bunch of baskets and stuff from them, and I have flowers hanging from them, and I love it. And I have a very beautiful butterfly garden as a result. So that's a very, 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 very huge blessing, just to watch all those butterflies. And then I'm just continuing to position all these little pieces, but I didn't cut any of the foam to go in the back, because I like to create all these layers, and I always want to put the largest things in the back and then kind of come forward. Except for the bike, you know, one thing has to be the focal point, so I did choose the bike as my main focal point, and then all of the other things are just there to bring your attention to the bike. And I do further embellishing and all of that, and I'll use that butterfly and some of the other pieces on a second Memory Dex card. And at the end of this video, you'll see the photos of this Memory Dex card completed. I found a little bow in my stash, and I'm just kind of centering everything and just trying to, so see, there's the 2 stamp sets that allowed me to make all of these amazing little ephemera pieces I'm so thrilled about. And then I dug out my stickles. This is the oh gosh, I don't remember the name. Oh gosh, but I love it. It's my favorite. Icicle. It's the icicle. Love that one, because whatever color is underneath it, that's what's going to really shine through. It's like Aurora Borealis type of thing. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.